Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So this week's malware and ransomware. As students in California headed back to the classroom, the Newhall district in Valencia suffered a ransomware attack that affected 6,000 elementary school students. There hasn't been an extortion request as of yet, so what are the hackers up to? There's always a motive behind everything that hackers do. The Department of Justice has indicted 3 Iranian nationals, one of them being a member of the Revolutionary Guard, for stealing the identities of individuals working in the aerospace and satellite technology firms within the U.S. These attacks started in July of 15, and they're just now being indicted. That is 5 years of hacking. How many people were affected by this, and why is it taking so long to indict these people? So malware operators and hackers were using the free Firefox Send service and the Firefox Note service to send malware programs. It seems lately Firefox has not been making good decisions. First, they had the easy way for people to steal your passwords, or hackers to steal your passwords, and now a free service that helped promote malware infections. The FileSend service was only a little over a year old. You have to wonder why a browser company is not more attentive to security. So why is Twitter waiting up until now to put in stronger account security measures for prominent political figures? If you're expecting the government or social media to protect you, you are sadly mistaken. They do not have our best interest in mind. We have been talking about these threats for 7 months now, and they are just now moving to do something about it. Stay safe and have a great week.